Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss what is analytics for proactive IT management in Datto RMM and the dashboard widget and also the data visualization tool. So leveraging analytics for proactive IT management in Datto RMM can significantly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of IT operations. First is the proactive IT management in Datto RMM. It focuses on identifying and addressing potential issues before they escalate into critical problems. So this approach can be achieved through first is the monitoring. So the monitoring, we can see that under policies here. For the monitoring, use Datto RMM to monitor devices, application, and network for anomalies. Proactively alerts notify IT teams of unusual activity, allowing them to respond before issue impact end user. Next is the automation. So for the automation, you can schedule routine maintenance, tasks, and deployment patches automatically. Analytics can identify patterns to determine when specific tasks should run, reducing manual intervention. Next is the analytics. For the analytics, you can use this as a leverage historical data to predict trends in system performance, disk space utilization, network traffic, and more. This predictive analytics help anticipate future needs and plan for scaling resources accordingly. So next is the dashboard widgets in Datto RMM. So for the dashboard widget, it provides customizable dashboard to track critical metrics and visualization data. So here are some common dashboard widget that you can use. First is the device health. This widget displays the status of device in your network, including CPU usage, memory utilization, and disk space. It can help you quickly identify these devices that needs attention. So for you to be able to create a widget using the dashboard, first is you need to add a dashboard. It's either you click dashboard, then create dashboard, or you just click this add dashboard. So let's create a blank dashboard. So all you have to do is just to click add, or if you want to use default dashboard, just read the description and then just click add. But if you want to use the Datto EDR, the security dashboard, you can also do so by clicking add. For now, we're gonna use the blank dashboard. So what are you going to see in the screen is this one, saying add some widget. So by adding a widget to your blank dashboard, you need to click add or here, another add widget. So let's add dashboard or widget. So first is for the device health. For device health, you can monitor all of the devices that you cater here in Datto RMM. Just simply type in device. For example, devices with duplicate serial number. So here, just click this one, add. And then let's add as well offline devices. So you can choose, just read the description on what you need or what type of offline devices you need to add to your widget. So let's add this offline devices by device type. So once you add that information or a widget, it will automatically add it to your blank dashboard or to your customizable dashboard. So next is patch compliance. So if you want to show the status of the patch deployments across your devices, it can help you ensure that all systems are up to date and compliant with security policies. So by that, you need to click again the add widget. Then you need to type in for the patch status is Windows patch status, which is this one. So just choose this one, then click add. So it will automatically show in your personalized dashboard or blank dashboard. Next is alerts overview. This widget displays a summary of all alerts in your network. It allows you to track recurring issues and prioritize responses based on the severity. So again, just click Add Widget. Then for the alerts, actually, to be honest, there's a lot of alerts in this widget. So you need to be specific what kind of alerts you want to see on your blank dashboard. So for me, I'm gonna put, for example, alerts by priority. So it will show the things that I need here, or you can just type in alerts. So you can see all the types of alerts, and you just read the description, what kind of widget regarding to the alerts you need to add to your dashboard. So let's go ahead and add this one, alerts by category. And then let's also add this recent alerts and alerts over time. Okay, as you can see, it added to your blank dashboard. And then next is network traffic. So for the network traffic, monitor network traffic patterns to identify unusual spikes or drops, which can indicate potential security threats or network issues. So again, just click here, add widget, then type in network. So you can see here the network discovery. Just click add. So here you can see all of the information, network discovery that you added on your blank widget. So once you open again your Datto RMM and then you choose blank dashboard, which is the one that you created, you can automatically see what you need to know. For example, this recent alerts, what is the status of the patches in all of the devices that we cater and manage here in Datto RMM. And we can also see the antivirus status. You can also add the antivirus status here by typing antivirus. And then here, the antivirus status. So you can just arrange it, just customize it or arrange it in what you want. It's customizable. It's you can arrange it on what position or what location you want to see the statuses. Okay, so now what you are seeing on the screen is the data visualization in Datto RMM. So these are essential tools understanding complex data quickly. Datto RMM offers various visualization options to help you make sense of your IT environment. You can see graphs and charts, heat maps, drill down reports, all of that you can see in your customizable dashboard. So by leveraging these analytics tools and dashboard widget, you can proactively manage your IT environment and reduce downtime and enhance the overall security and efficiency of our system. So that's all for the video. Thank you. Have a great day.